Hello everyone. Everybody hear me? So let's check if everybody can hear and we are live. So let's check. Say hi if you can hear me. And let's get the party started. Who's ready for tomorrow? So I'm ready for your question, guys. Anybody have any question for tomorrow? For the first trading session for the month? We have to have AMC, GME, and Zomedica, and ChargePoint, Apple, HCMC, all the things we have to watch out for tomorrow, for the prices, where we can get in, where we can get out. So if someone can hear me, please say hi so I can understand that the live is okay. 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 So let's start with AMC, guys. As we said before, we had a lot of rejection area around this level for AMC, and we got rejected around the 35, guys. And this is really major rejection because this is expected, because the short seller actually put all the put options around the 35. So by Tuesday, by tomorrow, we're gonna see a test for this level again, but we have to hold above the 24. This is really technical level for AMC. So guys, any questions? So we can actually which stock you looking for Tuesday, for tomorrow, so we can actually prepare for take a profit, stop loss, and everything by tomorrow. And comment below if you have any question about which stock we should do review about today. We have even crypto for Dogecoin right now. We still around this triangle, and we have a struggle to get out from this triangle, as you can look here. And this is massive turnaround for Dogecoin, because it's about to explode. Anybody ready to actually trade Dogecoin at the moment? For me, actually, what I'm looking for right now is there's a lot of speculation about customer team at the moment, and we're gonna go after a bit about customer team and what's the thing we should look for the price for Tuesday, because after reverse split, everybody knows the price actually went down as not expected, because a lot of people thought that we're gonna see a jump in the price. As you can look here, for customer team, yeah, the price now is around the $3.7, and as expected, actually the price went down from the $3.60 until the $3, around exactly our support here. Look with me, guys, exactly at the support. So what we should look for Tuesday, by tomorrow, is to watch out for this support, as I said in the previous video, and any price going below this level $3, guys, we're gonna see a massive jump down around the $2.16, and I think this is the most price that I can see customer team will gravitate to. If we don't hold above this level, we're gonna see a bit of hold up around the $2.50, and the strongest support will be $2.16. So any question, guys? Okay, let's go for GME right now and see what's the prices. For GME, actually have the same scenario as AMC. We saw a big rejection around this level, the $2.15. Here, guys, as we predicted before, I told you the $2.15 is the major rejection area for GME. That's why we got sold off here. And the unfortunate thing that I told you guys, GME have the same behavior as AMC. Whenever like the price go up for AMC, the GME will follow like in a bit. But this moment we got a bit of pump, we got a massive rejection of GME compared to AMC that is actually pumping really high and hard compared to GME. And everybody said the volume was the last trading session at the 27. They said the most volume stock, traded stock, like if you want to compare it with the NASDAQ even, this is crazy. Like half the volume of the NASDAQ actually went to AMC that day. Okay, there's something. Let me see, live chat. Okay. Reviews. Okay, details. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, can you hear me? So because I don't know if I actually have the voice figure out or not, because I see 3 viewers but they never commenting. So I'm just make sure if the voice is doing good. Are we going to see? Okay. Okay, guys. Hopla. Great, great. UK Stang. That's happy to hear that everything is good. Okay, so okay, can you tell me which kind of stock you are actually looking for, guys? Good, 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 good that you didn't bought AMC at the 35 because this is crazy, guys. The moment we got the 35, we went really hard because this is was the resistance. Okay, this is really great question, Don. Okay, let's go to the chart and see exactly what's gonna happen. As I told you guys, for AMC is a bit volatile right now. We hit the resistance area here at the 35. I just notified, I did like a video in a pre-market for my Patreon, and I actually warned them about this rejection area, about the 35. So now we saw a consolidation. So what's the thing we're gonna see by tomorrow? Hold up for this level because this is a major important level, guys. The moment that we see the price go to 23, we're gonna see the price go really hard around the 19. Simple as that. Because now if we don't see a buying pressure, the moment that we test the 23.90, we're gonna see the price drop really hard at 19. So be careful. And as you can look here for the two candle, this one just tested the price up, then we have this massive buying pressure. Then this is a FOMO kind of candle, guys. This is and you don't want to see kind of candle like this, big candle, then a wick, then a sell-off. This is not like genuine buying pressure. This is FOMOing, and this is where the short seller actually come in and sold the price around the 35. So as I said, guys, around the 23.90 even cent. If we saw a closing candle about this line, we're gonna see the price go to 20. And if we don't hold here, this is the crazy support that if we don't hold the 20, we're gonna see the price drop really hard around the 14. Yeah. Do you know anything about ADMB? Wait a second. Let me check. ADP. Okay, so this one. Wait a second. So, okay, wait a second, guys. Hopefully, I answered your question, Don, about AMC. So let's go to UK Stang, NAKD, NEO, AMC, and CTXR. Okay, for AMC, I just covered it. Hopefully, you saw the prices that I told you about the 23.90 cent. This is the warning sign that will be big sell-off for AMC. If we hold above the 24, there's a big chance that we're gonna test the 35 again. But for NAKD, guys, let's go first for NAKD and then we go back to ADBNB. For NAKD, guys, wait a second, let me see. Yeah, for NAKD, I just covered the price. If you just tell me what kind of question you ask, I told you before for NAKD, the turning point for NAKD, I told you guys around the 0.77, around the 0.77, and any price go above here, I'm just getting all in for NAKD because this will be a turn point of NAKD. And as you can see here, we can we saw a big rejection because the market maker just tested the price just below the 0.70 and we got the sell-off. So by tomorrow, we should hold this level, guys. This is really important for NAKD, around this level, around the 0.95 or we hold above the 0 in the 60. So hopefully we just bounce from 0.58 this time and never go lower, because we're gonna test the 0.77 by the next week. Okay. Oh, Neo, this is really interesting, UK Stang. Really interesting for Neo, because we have the price for Neo actually turn around. Where's Neo? Where's Neo? Wait a second, guys. Okay, for Neo, guys, look with me. For Neo, it's have a bit of weird behavior happen. We have just the fake out here around this price. We went even to 30, but we have the major rejection area around this level, guys. This is really important, major rejection, because we have our rejection area that we've been rejected before. Our exponential average, we rejected around the 27th of April, and the last trading session, look with me, guys, here exactly at 40. We just tested the 40 and we got rejected. So by tomorrow, guys, if we just tested again the 40 and we close above, there is a major turnaround, and this time we're gonna see the 50. If we just close here, guys, above the 42, I guarantee you, guys, Neo would be exploding to 50 next week or next month for sure. Okay, ADBMP, let's go for this one as David Logan suggests. Wait a second, guys, let me see what you okay, Sky Trader, let's do this, baby. Of course, yeah. Who's ready for tomorrow? It's been like long weekend, guys. And 500 bucks a share. Okay, let me answer you guys before to go to the chart. About some shares of CTRM at 3.30 cent. Can I hold? I sell? Okay, great question. Great question, Hussein. Wait a second, let me go to the chart, because this is a serious business. You already bought at $3.30. Wait a second, let me see. Hopefully you saw the video before you bought, because I told you guys the moment when we saw the reverse split, I told you that the price will go to gravitate around the $3. So I don't know if why you bought at $3.30. The moment that you see the gap, why you bought. This is one of the thing you should never do. Never FOMO, guys. I told you the price will gonna see first a test for support here, or the test for the resistance level around the $3.60. So you never buy until we see a rejection confirmation candle above here. So this will be a reversal and price will go even higher, or a bounce when we go closer to $3.04 like we did here. So here is really good to buy, and you put stop loss here, because whenever we go below the $3, we're gonna see price go even lower at $2.50. So be careful. Any price go below the $3, be careful. Should have a stop loss below, because we might see the price go even lower. So by tomorrow, I can see a bit of buying pressure around this level, guys, for CTRM. Hello, Ben. Thank you. Yeah, already talked about NAKD. Maybe you just came a bit late, Ben. Or will we go through it later on? Okay. Can't see. Oh, thank you, Sky. Thank you, Sky. Wait a second. I have okay. 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 Sorry, guys. About CTRM, as I said here, this is the chart. Thank you, Ben, about telling me about you don't see the chart. Because here for CTRM, as I said, guys, if you bought around this area, the $3.30 is not good, guys. You have to wait until we see a bounce from the support. So you never buy at the middle here or when the market open, easy. Okay. Do you think we'll testing 0.77 this week? For naked, you mean, Ben? You're excited about tomorrow? Of course, Anthony. Of course, it's been long weekend actually. Excitement is, but wait a second. Usually, when you have like 3 days off from the trading session, you be more be careful from this kind of scenario. Never overtrade, guys. Never overtrade. It's better than never trade or do like you stop trading if you don't see the good setup. Okay, this is really important. But yeah, if you want to answer your questions, yeah, I'm really excited. We can see this the chart, Jesus. Okay. Okay. UK Stank, can you check right now, because I can I think I solved the problem for the chart, and tell me if you can't see the chart right now. Yeah, you can see the chart, UK Stank. Please say yes so we can actually go and reply and answer. Perfect. Okay, let's go to answer your question, guys, about naked, if we testing the 0.77 this week. Okay, this is a great question. Let's go to the chart and see naked. For naked, wait a second, guys. Where's naked? Okay, naked. Hopla. I have a big list. I have to put some. Okay, this one. Okay. For naked, you told me if we go to 0.77. Yeah. The point, if we want to go this week, because we have a sell-off last time in the last trading session, we got the sell-off because we almost hit the 0.77, and I told you guys this is a major resistant area. That's what happened. But now if we close up here, look with me, guys, this is the major technical area for naked, because we just tested here around the 0.60 precisely, guys. So we don't want to go back below this level. By tomorrow we need a bounce. By tomorrow we need a bounce in order to see the price go to 77 this week, because the momentum that we use for this jump, if we just go below this line around the 0.58, this is a major sign of weakness for naked, and we might go even lower. But until now, we can see we doing higher lows from the 13th of May. We doing higher lows, and we did this big major jump, and we still have the price above the 0.60 cent. This is really good. By this week, by tomorrow, we need to hold above the 0.60 and test again for this technical level around the 0.77. No problem, Hussein. Okay, I think he mean excited about AMC. yeah, AMC is crazy, guys. Anybody bought AMC actually? Wait a second, let me see. And the poll, let me see. Any bought AMC at the all-time high, guys? It was crazy day. Okay. So just 13% of you guys just bought AMC at the 35. So Who's bought that at 35, guys? Let me see who's bought it. Is it you, Hussein? Okay, let me answer some question from you guys. Okay, let me go back and answer David Logan. Are you there, David? Okay, about ADMP. What's the kind of question you want me to answer? Like the prices? What kind of question? Can you narrow it down at least? Can you check Dodge looks like it's on the move up? Oh, okay. I already did a video about it today. And as you said, UK Stank, the price is on the move, like you said, but it's still we not clear yet. The price here is still, you see, is fighting. Wait a second. Let me go to small picture. The price is still, guys, all is gonna explode, guys. Is about to explode Dogecoin. So now, guys, look with me. The price, if just close here, just we need the 4 candle close here, guys, we're gonna see explosion happening really soon for Dogecoin, because here I have BTC is actually doing 1%, Bitcoin Cash 3%. Dogecoin is 6% right now, and Link is 8%. But yeah, it's about to explode actually. Thank you for give me the heads up, Stank. Yeah, it's about to explode actually. HCMC stock, let me. Okay. Can you check? Okay. No, MC. What's about HCMC, guy? Stop it, please. I'm getting cash soon. Don't try to get FOMO. I will try to. Wait a second. Let me see the more technical. Wait a second. Hopla. We might see an explosion on the live, guys. This is crazy. We might see a explosion happening, because if we narrow it down right now, look with me. Wait a second. Look at this candle, guys. Look at this wick. This is just a test, and we got a rejection right now. A test here and a rejection. You see, never get FOMO and buy until we see a closing candle, full candle close here. We didn't see yet, but it's about to happen really soon. And as you can look here, a bounce from our exponential average here, and this candle, full candle, is above our exponential average. You have this candle, we just wait for a confirmation candle here to see explosion. At least, guys, at least I can see explosion happen. If we go from this triangle, we can see the price going at least at this level at 37. The channel is really closing. Wow. What you mean closing? Okay. I don't know what kind of okay, wait a second. Thank you for nobody. Okay, no problem. Sky Trader RMO. Wait a second. Are you want me to ask check the prices for RMO? Let me see. Okay, let's check RMO. Okay, for this one, I can look here. There is a massive resistance coming perfectly here around the $9.25, and we got a bit of rejection at the last day of trading. Look at around the 9, and now from this behavior is downtrending, but try to get from the downtrend right now. but it's still downtrending here. We're doing higher lows, lower highs here from this technical level. And by tomorrow, we're gonna see a test again for this level, guys. This is really important. We might see a bit of tracement right this here, because we're gonna see our exponential average act as a support, and from there we're gonna test the 990. Then we go at this. After we go above this, we're gonna see explosion until the 11, until 11, precisely 1160. I'm gonna take my profit here. Hopefully hopefully this answered your question, Sky Trader. Yes, the triangle. Yes. What is prediction for Lee for tomorrow? What is that? Okay. I don't know. Like, is the ticker symbol is LI? Perfect, Sky Trader. Perfect, perfect. Happy to hear that. So, Hussein, the prediction of LI, can you actually try to confirm is the ticker symbol is LI or something? Because I don't understand this one. Okay, let's go to UK Stang again. CTXR has been hanging around the $2 range for a long time. Is there strong resistance above where it stands? Okay, great question. Let's go to see CTXR. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? CTXR, CTXR, pom pom. Okay, we already did the video about it actually. So, what's your question actually? Has been hanging around the $2 range for a long time. Is there a strong resistance? Let me see. Yeah, it's been consolidating around the $2.30. The resistance around the major resistance is around the $2.80, but now it's been squeezing. It's squeezing really hard in this technical area, and I think the resistance for sure is around the $2.39 precisely. And I think this time, because the last time that we tested the $2.39, we got just a test, then a massive rejection, and we went down to even below the $2. And this time we test, but we didn't go below. So I'm just giving you like 90% chance that this time is preparation for explosion to $2.81 or all-time high for CTXR. If we didn't drop from our execution average here, if we don't drop, this is a massive preparation for explosion for CTXR. I'm gonna put this on my my watch list. Thank you, UK Stang. This is perfect setup for explosion. This one. Bring your money, load the boat on this one. Okay. Hopefully you got your answer, because I can see explosion happening right away, and it's really perfect that we can actually put our stop loss really close around the $2.18 and ride this one first to test the $2.39, then explode, guys. If we saw just above the $2.40, we're gonna see explosion. Let me actually calculate it for you guys here, how much percentage we look for. At least 17%, guys, for this one. We can see maybe even one day we can do like 15% up for CTXR. No problem. No problem. No problem, UK Stang. Okay, Hussein. Okay, LI. Let's go hunt this one. Okay. Okay, it's trading on a Nasdaq. And wait a second. Okay. It's an Autobart. Okay. Let's go right to it. And I think we covered it before because this one LI have a big resistance around the 26.42. Be careful from this level. And we could see a momentum change from the last drop that we did at the 15. And still we holding above this level, and we have explosion happened right this level. So this is will be the support that even if we drop from this level before the 26, we need to hold above the 19.73. Any price go from this level, if you hold, just sell, because we're gonna see even lower lows for Lee. And any price hold above the exponential average, because look with me closely. Perfect bounce and hold up at precisely above the exponential average, and any price went down is bought back really fast from the market maker, and the price hold above. So by tomorrow we need a bounce and test for the 26 here, and here we might see a rejection. If we got rejection, we don't see a price go below this technical area around the 23.60 something to get another bounce and go above the 26. And the moment we go above the 26 or 27, this is the turning point or changing trend from downtrend to uptrend for Lee. To be honest, UK Stang, wait a second. Hussein, hopefully I answer your question about LI. Hopefully you saw the resistant area and you took your note. UK Stang, for MC, no, I didn't actually. I put I did a trade for a GME and already closed it because we see a when I get a rejection around the 250 I sell, and I bought around the 188 when we got our confirmation for resistance here, and we got a closing candle. I bought and then I sold at 250. Okay. Wait a second, let me answer some question if you guys can see your chart. Okay. What else? What is the projection? Okay. Okay, let us check Dogecoin and what's happening for Dogecoin right now. Yes, we still not clear yet. We still testing this level. As I told you, still there's a massive rejection around this level whenever we close above it. So we have to have a close attention for this level. If we broke from it, there's a big massive breakout. Okay, I think everybody talk about the $1 for Dogecoin. Actually, good question. Because you know what, like the $1 is psychological level for any penny stock or even for cryptocurrency, because this is change in behavior. But the moment what we could expect for now, not the $1, because there's a lot of things could happen. Maybe even Elon Musk will come and he just drop a big tweet and it will drop to zero. You never know. So the most important thing that I will see, the most technical level right now for Doge, if we explode from here, we're gonna see technically 100% the price test first. We're gonna see the price even go, not even the 37 but the 42, because this is the most important level for Dogecoin. Any price go to the 42, we're gonna see a rejection, and if we close above the 42, we might see the $1. So this is the short answer for your question, and the massive turning point is 42. No problem, Hussein, no problem. Always got my hunters back. Wait a second, Chris. So, watching your last week, I look at CTRM and Thursday and pass on it. I can kick myself for not just pounding 20 bucks on. Crazy. So always be ready to hunt. There's always opportunity, Chris. Never be frustrated or anything, you know. No problem, you stay Stang, no problem. Yeah, Jonathan. AMC, actually, the short quiz, the big sell-off happened. I actually expected that we're gonna see the 35, but I'm gonna tell you guys, the 35 for AMC, or just the test for 36, if we hold above the 24, guys, and we have another momentum up, and we break the 35 this time, the sky is the limit. I'm just telling you. Which video you tell me about, Chris? Yes, but garbage hype of 10 bucks plus is crazy. Yeah, not 10k even, they said 500k. Imagine, like hashtag 500k for AMC. This is crazy. But if you put this in the perspective, this is compare as the market cap of all the stock in the Nasdaq. Half, actually, half the market cap of the stocks in the Nasdaq. Come on, like, you have to be like really retard to actually believe something like this to happen. Or I don't know, like, it might happen. If it's happens, like end of the market or the stock market will crash. What is your thought on NBRV? I got in at $1.89. Wait a second. Mr. Demonic King over 9,000. What's your thought on NBRV? Okay, let's check in BRV. NBRV, let's see, NBRV. Yes. Okay. So you bought at $1.38. Sure, I just cut my losses and sold it. Wait a second. You bought $1.38 at which date? $1.38. Okay, you bought at the dip, actually. Did you bought at the dip, or you bought like last trading session at Friday, or you bought like last month? What did you think of? I bought at 89. And now is at sorry, I just confused. Okay, you bought at 89. Okay, let's see. So you bought at 89 last. Okay, so you bought at the at 26th of May when the price went up. I'm just trying to see the scenario, what's happening exactly, so we can learn together, guys. Okay, yes. So this is kind of what I'm trying to say here at my channel, guys. Never get FOMO when you see a big jump like this. But if you bought at 183, and what's your strategy when you get out, when you get in? What's your profit taking? Of course you didn't have. That's why you ride it until we have a massive rejection. If you tell me, I will tell you just sell at this price. This is at $2.25. This is the massive rejection. It's clear as day. So if you bought at $1.85 and you just take a profit, guy, okay, just take your profit. 18%. This is good. Don't try to take 500% like for AMC and things like this. Is like exceptional thing, you know. So if you take the probability when you take a like a trade, usually take your profit, know when you get out and when you exit. This is the most important thing. It's all about probability. We can't make sure if the price will go 100%, go like to $4. It's all speculation. What we can control is our strategy, guys. So if you want to sell or hold, okay, I'm gonna tell you the perfect scenario. So by the next week, I can see a bit test maybe for the last support that we hold around this level, the $1.32. So from this big sell-off, this is not looking good. But if you want to cut your losses, I can understand you can't cut your losses because you already lost already. So we might see a bounce from this level at $1.30, and you could actually sell. Maybe we're gonna see a bounce 100% around the $1.80. So there's a big chance that we're gonna see a bounce, but this time you have to get out at $1.80 because I can't confirm you that we're gonna see the $2 again. Okay, but at $1.80 we're gonna see it again, a test for sure for NBRV. But we have to see a bounce around the $1.30, not below it. Any price go to below the $1.30, just sell around the $1.28. Hopefully this is answer your question. Jonathan, I think you guys should buy, in my opinion, is going to be the next, okay, poster shoot company or the next thing. Okay, let me check the chart to see what's happening with the chart first, Jonathan. Thank you for the suggestion, actually. Should buy. Okay, DVAX. Let's check it. Okay. Okay. Our support are around this technical level. Okay. We have a resistance around this technical area, guys. So I will get in the moment we have a closing candle here, and I will take my profit around this technical area for sure, around this level, around the $10 or 90.9. So I will take my profit here, 16%, and I will just cut my losses around if we just close below here around the $8. So I will just buy at $8.58 and ride it until the $9.90 for this, for 100% that you can gain money, at least 15% for this one. Okay. Thought on BB, will it increase or squeeze soon? Okay, Sami Al-Rami. Okay, let's go to BB and see what's happening. Okay, perfect. This is a really interesting. Really, thank you. Thank you. Wait a second. Who's that actually gave me the suggestion for BB? Thanks you. Thank you very much. That's very helpful. Now I have much better understanding than before. No problem. I'm really glad that I helped Mr. Demonic King over 9,000. Really cool name, by the way. You, what should I buy? Wait a second. Let me go back to Jonathan. Okay, Sammy, yeah, Sammy. Let's go to BB and see the price is it increase or will be squeezed. Nice question, and thank you, Sammy, for bringing this up, because we got a test for this level around the 12.14, and this is a major resistant area, and any price go above this, I'm gonna buy, because this is a major turning point for BB. There is a big chance that we're gonna see a big price, not even squeeze, but if we hold above this support level. Thank you, Sammy. This is really interesting looking chart for this one. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what's kind of scenario gonna happen precisely for this one. For the BB for the next month, for this week, we're gonna see a bounce around the $9.40 here. Precisely, if we got a bounce here perfectly around the $9.40, and we see and again price movement go to 12, and then we close above the 12, I guarantee you guys there's a big explosion gonna happen for BB for sure. So you could actually buy here and stop loss around the $8.90 and just ride it, because you can actually get from here and just profit and take up the profit. If you just went now at $9 or at 10, you can ride it until a 12, take a bit of profit like 30%, 40%. We might get rejection again. If not, you can actually let the other shares go up and just hold it, because we're gonna see a big price go even to 20 for BB, and you could actually see a massive move after this price when we have a hold up here, and then you can do trailing stop and another risk management strategy, so you can actually always end up winning. Hopefully this answers your question. Thought on BB, okay. Hopefully this helped Sammy. Okay, let's answer Shenben. You, what should I buy? Yo, what should I buy? A broke trainer go from Riga and riches. You should buy AMC at all-time high, Shin. This is not good question to ask. You should actually have at least some idea about which stock you should buy. Thank you very much. That's very helpful. Now I have much better. Okay, nice. Thank you. No problem, Jonathan. Okay, you stay. UK Stang. My son bought in last July. It's had a good run, but down slightly. Okay, does it look as it will be running up again soon? Do you see anything interesting in the chart? Okay, I will get back soon at this question. What about space? Okay, thought on SOS, please. SOS short squeeze. Okay, we have two. Maury and Jonathan ask about SOS, so we go first at SOS, then I will answer your question, UK Stang, then Sammy. Let's go to SOS. For SOS, Wait a second. Okay, for SOS, really interesting, guys. Look with me closely here. We have the bounce, but we got a bit of rejection around the $3.80 and even below our resistance area around the $4.12. Now we have a bit of hold up above this technical area. Really important here about the $3.30. This is really important area to bounce from. So by the next week, we need the bounce. It would be really good for SOS and momentum change, and we can see the $4 for the next month. If we saw a bounce from the $3.30 exactly, then we're gonna see a test again to $3.50. And if we saw the momentum again to $3.60, I guarantee you guys we're gonna see the $4.12 next month for sure. If we just hold the $3.30, this is really important level to watch out for SOS. Okay, let's see this stock that you actually talked about. PLNHF. PLNHF. Okay, this one. Okay. At what price your son bought at actually? July at $2.56. And do you think anything interesting? Okay, let's see. $2. Wow. So he bought really back. Wait a second. Let me close. So, what's your strategy at? Like, why he don't take his profit? He don't average down? What's his strategy? Because now we saw the price now is ranging between the $5 and the $7. So any price go above the $7.36, we're gonna see explosion, an all-time high for our stock, Planet 13 Holdings. And any price go below the $5.67, we're gonna see the price gravitate again around the $5. But it's really strong stock because we almost hold this support level around the $5. And now we're doing really important change in trend here. We've been doing this before, ascending line, but we broke from it, and we have a bit of momentum and change from uptrending. Then we broke from it, but we hold above this level around the $5.71. Now by the next week, we're gonna see a test for our ascending line here, and any price go above here, guys, above the $7.20, we're gonna see again explosion for the $8.58. So this is really massive, important technical level. We're gonna test by the next week here, because look with me. Perfectly, we dropped, then we tested from below. So now this is acting as a resistance. Any price go above this, we're gonna see the price gonna go again.